Hey, what's going on, YouTube family? Crypto investors, it is the crypto machine, Johnny Diamond Hands. And yeah, I'm back again from the hospital, back again from the doctor again, in and out. Yeah, don't worry. I'm trying my best to take care of myself, make sure I stay up on my health. But anyway, I'm back. I had to get off the video game. I don't normally stop the video games or relaxing or whatever I'm doing, but I had to stop everything I was doing just to give this to you guys. This Splassive.com. It is the first deflationary ROI platform on the Avax network, bringing the best of other platforms like Drip. You have the opportunity to be on the ground floor. They got in here on this Twitter account in 2022, and they have 659 followers since January. So they probably created the account in January, and then they got in on there. But they just went live yesterday. So this is the Splash Network, brought to you by the Splash Team on the Avalanche Chain. So this is basically a clone or a copy of Drip, but on the Avalanche Network on Avax. So it's almost, I'm not gonna say it's identical, but it's set up pretty much as a cookie cutter template of Drip. When you look at the well, the tap, the shore, it's just like the swap and the faucet and the reservoir in Drip. And the only thing, they have a little swap feature right here. If you were in on the pre-sale, you could swap your pre-sale tokens in for what they call the splash token. And this is the splash token price, the current price right now. Since this morning, it's gone up. I just got in this morning. I went ahead and got my AVAX. I jumped in. You got to have, they want you to have a minimum of 10 in the contract. I believe that's to receive referrals. And just like with Drip, how you have to have the BR34P token, in Splash, you have to have what's called the wave token. And I'll go over another video about how to get that and everything. But I just wanted to introduce this to you guys. This is they do a 10% buy tax on buys. It's a 2% daily return. So unlike Drip is a 1%, this is a 2%. And then they show you how many transactions they had, how many people are in on this contract, 1986. Just like Drip, this is the well. This is where you go in and you buy your splash with your AVAX. So you have to put AVAX in your wallet. Again, you'll have to be on the Avax blockchain in your MetaMask or whatever wallet you're using to get in on this. You buy your splash. You just go ahead and type in how much Avax you want to spend. Make sure the slippage is at 1%. And then you go ahead and you buy your splash token. And then you come over here to the tap, which is just like the faucet for Drip. You come over here to the tap, and then you go ahead and you deposit the amount of splash tokens that you bought with your AVAX. And then again, so they give you, your scenario. I put in 10 AVAX, which is around $100, and then they're going to give me 37 AVAX payout, for this contract, 2% daily return up to 360%. So it is pretty much identical to Drip with the exception of the wave token and being on the Avax Avalanche blockchain. So this is Splash. I'm not going to go too far into it. Just know for referral bonuses and referral rewards, you're going to need at least 5,000 wave tokens, and I'll talk about that in my next video. But yes, I'm going to put my address. You got to have a buddy address. You have to have a buddy address to join this. If you do not have a buddy address, it will not let you do anything. It will not let you in. So I'm going to leave my buddy address down here in the description of this video. You can just copy my buddy address and you'll put it in here under the tab. You'll go ahead and you'll just paste the buddy address down here and click update. It's going to charge you maybe 15 cent, maybe 80 cent, 15 cents, something like that. Avax is cheap, but it's just going to charge you a small little fee for, just like Drip did, exactly like Drip did. You click update, and then it's going to put the address in there, and then you're going to be good to go. And then you go and you go on to Dex Screener, and I'm gonna make another video after this about how to set everything up, because it took me about 20 minutes or so to set everything up. But once you're set up and you're good, all you have to do is come in here and hydrate, just like Drip. Hydrate every day, and that deposit balance will grow, and then your max payout will grow. But yeah, those that get it, they got in on the ground floor of Drip, they're happy right now, right? So what do you guys think you need to do? I mean, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but I say get in on Splassive, because I mean, if this thing does at least 50%, the amount of, transactions and growth that Drip did, it's still a success, because you're compounding. You're compounding. And then even have that in the white paper. When you go through the white paper, they even talk about that. Where is it at? Right here. Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it. He who doesn't pays it. Albert Einstein. So they even put that, you can go through and read their white paper, and it's set up almost just like Drip. I mean, so if you know what Drip was and you were in Drip, then Splassive is a no-brainer. It should be a no-brainer for you. Again, do this at your own risk. Invest your Avax tokens in this at your own risk, and that's it. Look for my buddy address in the description. Sometimes you just got to jump in and do stuff, when you have the opportunity, because if this thing goes up to anywhere where Drip is right now, I don't even know if I can see how much Drip is right now without changing to my wallet address. No, I won't be able to see it. But I think last time I checked, Drip was like at $60, $64, or $59 or something like that. So I mean, imagine if this splash went up to from $9 to $59, in a few weeks. So I mean, hey, that's it. Hey, so if you like this video, hit the like button, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell for upcoming videos. Peace.